Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This week the weather has prevented us from getting out. The Great British weather has struck again and has prevented us from getting out and doing anything on the van. It's been wet, windy and miserable here all week, so we've been unable to get out and do anything on the van, which is quite unfortunate, as we were looking forward to getting back out after our weekend away in Stockholm. We were planning this week to start the internal cabinetry work, which does mean that we need to be outside. We've got quite large plywood boards that will need to be able to be cut, and obviously with the wet weather we're not going to be able to do that. This week we're probably going to start cleaning out the garage so that these weekends when they are wet and windy we have got somewhere inside to do them. Obviously going through the winter in the UK the weather is quite unpredictable, so we need somewhere to work, so we're making sure that we sort out our decent workspace. Just to give you a quick update on a couple of things that we spoke about in previous videos on the van. We've decided to go for our underslung gas tanks. These are going to be fitted probably in the new year. We need to get in contact with the company that we've been dealing with down in Ringwood, down in the south of England. They're going to be fitting these gas tanks underneath. We spoke to them back at the Campervan show up in the NEC. If you haven't checked out that video, we'll put a link to that just up here. Go and check that out where we show you the gas tanks we're going to be getting fitted. We've also made a decision around the water and heating systems that we are going to be putting inside the van. We've decided to go with the Truma unit. We were looking at doing either a separate system from the same company they're going to be fitting the gas tanks, or going for the all-in-one Truma unit, specifically the Truma 4E. The reason why we've gone for this single unit rather than the split units is just the ease and compactness of the space. It's all one unit. We feel that we can hide this away in the van a little bit better. We're going to be fitting it underneath a bench seat in the front of the van, and we just feel that having this unit all in one place will be a lot easier for maintenance, and also having everything inside the van so that we can use it in colder weather without having to worry about any parts freezing. So these units we'll be buying in the new year. We'll be getting those fitted into the van, and of course we'll be getting all those videos up for you so we can show you how we fitted them and how they operate. So unfortunately that's it for this week. We're quite frustrated that we couldn't get out and do any more on the van and we couldn't provide you another video. We thought we'd check in with you, just give you a quick update on some of the decisions that we've made around putting things in the van. One of the other things that we're going to be doing is the fridge. We'll be buying this in the new year, as we said in the NEC Campervan video. We'd like to say a big thank you for everyone that has subscribed to our channel and continues to follow along and give us comments, give us likes, and checking out our videos on our channel. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. Great to see you here, and we hope you like the content that we're putting out. As always, if there are any videos that you would like us to put up for you, if there's anything that you would like us to do on this channel, then leave a comment below one of our videos and we'll look to create a video for you. Again, if you are new, we do put up a video every Sunday. As I said, we're going to be trying to clean out the garage this week, so we've got a bit of space inside where during these wet and windy days we do have somewhere we can work, and as we're starting to work on the internal cabinetry, this is going to be quite important. So until next Sunday, we hope you have a good week and we'll see you again soon. Bye!